to re-establish the panel for selection of the IBC commissioners and a bill on EACC. Those are already published, and we reduced the publication timeline for the IBC one to 1 day. And I believe the jailer committee in both houses will begin work on it to start public participation and process the bills. Your Excellency, finally, amidst all the challenges I say that we had, we also had lessons that we learned, that there is no challenge that is not surmountable when people speak to each other. We have been reminded by the former Prime Minister that we must never forget what brought us to NADCO and how we got there. And we must honor those who lost their lives, those who lost their businesses and property in this country, by ensuring that we fulfill what we have agreed on. That is going to be achieved through legislative interventions. Myself, the Honorable Pio and I, the Honorable Aaron Cheruyot, and Justice Madzayo, we will work hard to ensure that Parliament as an institution works towards the fulfillment of what we ought to do as Parliament.
Our recommendation is a negotiated document. Negotiated. Therefore, we plead with you that the Kenya Kwanza teams in Parliament, in both houses of Parliament, be adequately guided so that we can have a fast-tracked process in order to settle this country, to be able to do the next important things. And therefore, I heard Kimani even here refer, he didn't talk when we were with Raila, he did not talk about public participation. And the reason is, you remember Kimani, one of the things we said, we must have these stakeholders. We don't want to be accused of not having had public participation. This doctrine is written in black and white in our constitution.
Congratulate you on finding an agreement on the constitutional provision that will make NGCDF a constitutional so to speak, the oversight fund that the Senate will access, and also NGAF that will be available to our women members of Parliament.